Oh my goodness, another social media site that just came out that is all the rage. It's called Clubhouse, and your head might be spinning because you might be wondering, do I really need another social media platform? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you my strategies that I'm using to grow my tribe, to grow my network marketing business through Clubhouse, because I do think it's a really, really exciting new app that you're definitely gonna want to be a part of. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so Clubhouse is a brand new app. It's only available right now. It's still in beta for iPhone users, and you actually need an invite in order to join Clubhouse, but you can go and reserve your username right now. So I recommend after this video, go at least make sure that you've registered your username before it gets taken, because I do think it's a hot new app that is going to explode and that you're going to want to be a part of. Okay, so what is it? It's kind of like an interactive podcast. And so in Clubhouse, what you do is you go into these different rooms, and usually there's multiple speakers. You can bring up speakers, you can do a Q&A, but they're giving a ton of value, right? And so there is this opportunity to learn so much, which is absolutely amazing and incredible for your business, but it's also very targeted. So what Clubhouse does is they use, based on your interests and stuff, and based on artificial intelligence, what they do is they start to understand what are your interests, right? So let's say you are into oils or you are into health and wellness. You can find rooms within Clubhouse that are focusing on those topics, right? And so it'll show you more and more of those things. And so you go into this room and there might be like several hundred people in there. Well, it's a great opportunity for you to go and follow people, to go and connect with people. So right now, the two places that you can be connected through your social media links over on Clubhouse is Instagram and LinkedIn. Okay, so personally, I don't use LinkedIn for my business. I do use a little bit of Instagram, and so I'm connecting with those people on Instagram. What I can tell you is the very few short weeks that I've been on Clubhouse, I haven't been on long, and I also have been showing up not as consistently as I probably should. I've done 2 weekly Clubhouse meetings. This is my 3rd week. I do go live every Thursday, so make sure you follow me. My name is Julie Reynolds over on Clubhouse, right? We can be friends over there. But in that very short amount of time, I've already got 300 followers, right? And then I get people messaging me over on Instagram. So it's an amazing way to grow a very targeted list of people for your business. And it's you know, really a dream come true, because it's connecting you with very like-minded people that are very interested in your interests, if that makes sense. So what do? I want you to be really, really strategic when you're over in Clubhouse, because people get lost for hours. And I'm talking about, like, some of these rooms go on for like 10, 15 hours, right? So you can get lost in the Clubhouse scroll, so to speak, even though there's not a scroll, right? You can get lost in Clubhouse. So you've got to be really strategic and not have it be a time suck where you're not actually working your business. So what I recommend doing is spending about a half an hour a day over on Clubhouse. Take notes. There's a ton of amazing information that you can learn about social media. You can learn about marketing. You can learn about network marketing strategies. There's some of the top gurus are over there as well. So take that 15, 20 minutes, use that for personal development, but then take the next 15, 20 minutes and use that to connect with more people, right? So see who is in those rooms with you. Connect with those people over on Instagram. Start following them. Start building those relationships and start having those conversations. So Clubhouse can be a way for you to not have to spend so much time in Facebook groups meeting people, or however you grow your network marketing business. It gives you a very targeted group, right? So what I would recommend is partner up with somebody that shares a very similar brand or niche to you, and commit to doing a few videos or a few talks, I guess it is because it's a podcast. There's no video whatsoever. So do a few podcasts, maybe once a week, twice a week. I've got some friends that are committing to every day. I know for me, I can't commit every day. So I've got 2 rooms going once a week with 2 different friends, 2 different groups of people. And that's, that's the comfort level that I feel comfortable. But I don't want you to get lost in thinking, oh my God, now I have another social media platform. What do I do, right? And so what I would say, sorry, my notes just fell, but what I would say is take the social media platform that fuels you, that excites you, that brings out your creativity, and focus on that. So if Clubhouse sounds like too overwhelming, oh my God, I can't bring on another social media platform into my life, then don't do it. Okay, that's all I can say. Don't do it. And you don't need to do it, right? Find those 2 platforms, marry the process, divorce the results. Don't get lost in the scroll, and you will have success as long as you are consistent. And so guys, what I have for you is I have my masterclass on YouTube and how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. So make sure you subscribe to get this free masterclass. I'll put a link in the description. And my question of the day for you is, what is your favorite social media platform? I want to hear it in the comments below, so make sure you comment there, and make sure you tune in for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV as I go live here. I create videos for you guys every single week on my YouTube channel. Have a great one.